If you want to turn your star into an ornament, you're going to need to add either some yarn or ribbon to one of the points so you can hang it. I usually just use yarn, so to do that I get a strand of yarn about this length and thread your needle, and then go underneath the chain of one of the points of the star under both loops. Pull it through till you have an end about that long, and then you're going to put it through that same direction again, the same loop, but don't pull it all the way through. You're going to want to leave an end about the same length as the first one. You can resize it if you need to, depending how long you want your hanger. And then you're going to put both of the ends on the back side and tie a double knot. It's a little bit easier to hide your ends if you use the same color as your last round, but it doesn't really matter. Just go all the way underneath the stitches to hide your end. And there you go.